Hi there and welcome to another video where I want to show you yet another trading strategy that I found on YouTube and looks to be very interesting for use with crypto trading. In my backtest I had a hypothetical gain of 250% and the drawdown was only minimal. This strategy only uses the 2-pole and VIDYA indicators and some simple buy and sell rules. So you can start trading with this strategy manually or with the use of a trading bot. Let's start the intro and see what this is all about. The strategy we are going to test is inspired by this YouTube video from Pine Traders. So if you want to get all the details after you have seen the results I have in these tests, then there is no excuse to pay that video also a visit as well. I will leave a link in the description below. Now, as I said in the intro, the strategy itself makes use of only two indicators. The 2-pole oscillator made by Big Beluga, which is the primary indicator used to generate the buy and sell signals, and the Volumatic index dynamic average, or the VIDYA, which acts as the confirmation tool to identify bullish and bearish trends. Add both of these indicators to your TradingView screen first, and then in the 2-pole oscillator indicator select the last plotline 2 to make the crossover line visible as well. And in the VIDYA indicator alter the VIDYA length to 34 to make longer trends better visible. The entry signals for this trading strategy are very simple and go like this. Wait for the 2-pole signal to have a bullish crossover signal below the -0.5 threshold. It's very important to use only this lower threshold because this indicates that we are in an oversold territory, and then if the VIDYA indicator is also indicating a bullish trend, we have our definitive buy signal. According to the original video, we then have to wait 2 candles to see what the price action does and then step in for a bullish trade. The stop loss will be set to this dashed line, which indicates an invalidation level for the trade, and the take profit will be set at the risk to reward of 1 to 1.5, and then we have to wait how the trade works out. Now, these are the rules for long trades, and for short trades these rules are reversed. The bearish crossover of the 2-pole indicator should happen above the 0.05 line, while the VIDYA indicator shows bearish momentum. The upper invalidation line is your stop loss and the reward lies at 1.5 times your risk distance. Now, only remember to wait 2 candles before you really enter the trade. In the original video, the presenter says that this is an example strategy and a suggestion to investigate further. And in this video I will certainly show you my investigation results. I have coded this trading strategy into PineScript to use with TradingView, and I also have created a Python algorithm for this strategy to test out with the backtesting engine. I've used multiple years of data over 50 crypto pairs to see how this strategy holds up in a simulated market circumstance. And this way we can definitely see if this strategy is worth our time. Now, if you want to use this strategy Pine code to use on TradingView or want to have that Python script for your trading bot, then I've got you covered as well because you can download all these files from my Patreon site as a patron. Not only will you support me by becoming a patron, but I also have some other benefits for you, like access to my ebook about algorithmic trading for beginners, which you can also buy on Amazon of course if you do not want to be a patron member. I also have a special bonus for all the people that want to use the new Bybit.eu trading platform. Because if you become a Bybit member through my link and deposit money, then you will receive additional money as a bonus. So in reality, you already are in profits on Bybit.eu without having to do a single trade, but only through my affiliate link of course. Now back to the backtest results. After my extensive backtests, I can tell you that the 2-pole VIDYA strategy achieves its highest profits on the 4-hour time frame. The 1-day time frame has even better results if you take into consideration risk management factors like drawdown. And also, you don't have to take so many trades on the 1-day time frame to achieve almost the same results. Both come very close. Now let me show you some quick remarkable things about this strategy on my backtest analyzer website before we dive into the TradingView results too. On the 4-hour time frame, the raw total profits of this strategy is $2,500 with a 50% win rate and a profit factor of 1.72. But for this to achieve, you'll have to make 482 trades. One very nice feature of this trading strategy is that its maximum drawdowns are always around 11%, which is pretty good for a swing trading strategy in my opinion. And overall, most months have positive results as well. There were some negative months, but they seem to be manageable. Now around 80% of the trades happen within 2.5 days on average, so if you open a trade, you will have to invest some screen time to close the trade in time. And if I open the biggest performer on this strategy, then we can also see a little bit how the trade behavior is. Over the complete backtesting period, these trades are relatively quick and also contain some powerful moves. which might indicate that we catch some real pumps over here. But I also noticed that on this chart it's not covered with trades, but they sporadically happen. Let's take a closer look to our strategy in TradingView too to see why this is the case. As said, I also created a special TradingView Pine script to see how this strategy works on TradingView. And by making the trades visible like this, you can see at which conditions trade might happen and why trades are relatively sparse when you only use one pair to trade. On the Binance chart, for example, the strategy seems to be having positive results, but as far as I can see here too, the trades do not happen that often. Sometimes it looks that there is a nice opportunity to trade, like on February 6th here, but it seems that the exact trading rules were still not met in this case and we miss a nice trade overall. And sometimes there is a trade signal according to the rules, but this is at the top of this entire trend and it's a false signal after all. But in July 2025, however, it finally made a good catch and the trade seems to be successful. Now, based on this sparse information, I think that either loosening the trade rules for the entry signals or adjusting the exit rules for more trend riding might do wonders for getting more signals and the profitability overall. But this is just based on analyzing this one single chart, and more research has to be done to make some definitive conclusions here. And talking about conclusions on this overall trading strategy, I think that by using the 2-pole oscillator and the VIDYA indicator in your trading strategy, you have two very strong fundamental indicators at your disposal to develop a profitable trading strategy for the future. Tweaking more details and making important decisions like whether to use risk to reward levels or just letting the trend ride and use another indicator for exit signals will make all the difference between having high profitability for future wealth or keep on living the life you live at the moment. But remember to do some very thorough research yourself too, and do not take my results for granted, because I can only show you my backtesting results on my setup and these are only indicative for what might be possible, no guarantees whatsoever. Nonetheless, your determination will make a difference here and you should keep on searching and investigating to finally find the trading strategy that suits your trading style the best. Never give up, never surrender. Now, of course, the bonuses you will receive by becoming a Bybit EU member through my affiliate link will be the first stepping stone. Never say no to free money. And if you like what I do, then click on the like button, become a member of this YouTube channel or my Patreon. I will proceed to search for other trading strategies and test if they are worth your and my time and money. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!